Imagine transforming your business overnight. What if I told you that you could automate 80% of your repetitive tasks and focus on what truly matters? Growth of your business. Now combining automation with AI, that's when you tap into truly limitless potential. Imagine a system that not only automates your repetitive tasks, but also learns and adapts to your specific needs. That is the power of AI. By leveraging artificial intelligence, you can save time, improve efficiency, and drive significant growth. So how do AI automations help businesses? Well, in one instance, we created a knowledge-based AI bot with access to business-specific information and connected it to the business's customer support email address. The bot handled all first-line support issues, reducing human customer support workload by 70%. In another instance, we created a cold email bot for a business that brought in an average of 50 warm leads for one bot per month. Lastly, we created AI Kanye. That was a simple automation that implemented AI-generated video and auto-responded to people's comments on Instagram. The AI Kanye video received more than 500,000 views in just a week. This was only from one piece of content. With these automations, businesses have more efficiency, productivity, time savings, consistency, accuracy, scalability, customer satisfaction, data insights, innovation, and the ability to focus on strategic tasks, and less manual labor, errors, repetitive tasks, operational costs, time wasted, human intervention, stress, resource usage, downtime, and complexity in processes. This means more time for you to focus on strategic growth and less time spent on mundane tasks. Now, imagine being able to implement all this for your business or your clients. That's why we created AI Automation, a course that teaches you how to leverage the awesome power of AI in business automation. In the AI Automation course, we reveal the strategies that business leaders use to automate their processes, dominate their markets. Not only will you learn step by step how to build your own intelligent business automation, but you won't need to know a single line of code to do it. We'll also teach you how to recognize automation opportunities, how to identify AI implementation potential, and how to wireframe ideas to illustrate use cases. From business process auditing to AI-powered full automation, A to Z, this is what we cover in the course. You'll get to build alongside us bots that identify and reach out to potential customers, cold email contact, post auto-generated business creatives to social media, generate advanced business analytics, assist in distributing sales leads, forecast resource allocation, generate page copy based on the best ranked page, select keywords, and much more. Each bot we build together is adaptable to your specific business needs. But the biggest benefit of this course is that it enables you to create your own AI-powered automations from scratch. The last project of this course will empower you to create your own complete automation that you can implement in your business or for a client. AI automation consists of 3 key components. First, we have the course, with the goal to enable you to build your own automations. Second, we have the automations library. This is a regularly updated library of automation blueprints from us and the community. You'll have access to a wealth of resources, pre-made template that can accelerate your automation projects. Finally, we have the AI automation community. This vibrant community consists of like-minded individuals, including entrepreneurs, business owners, marketing and sales professionals, and of course, AI agency owners, all sharing knowledge, ideas, and opportunities. If you're looking to become an AI agency owner, amplify your marketing, supercharge your sales processes, land new clients, get more eyes on your website, make better business decisions, streamline your operation, save valuable time, and increase your revenue, AI automation will give you the power. With our comprehensive course, regularly updated automations library, supportive community, you'll have everything you need to succeed. Take control of your business's future. Join AI Automation today and start building the automations that will drive your success.